guys, so today I am coming to you with a crochet braids install using NISEYO hair. Now this is the like goddess box braid crochet hair, and I believe I got it in the 14-inch, and there were about, I believe, like 14 pieces in each pack, and it came with 8 packs, and I did get it in the color 1B. So I'm just showing you guys my full install from my braid pattern to how I put it in my hair. I haven't done a video like this in a while, so I figured that y'all might want to see this. I will leave the link in the description box below to where you can purchase this hair, and also you can follow them on Instagram and TikTok if you have those social media platforms. So yeah, I'm just gonna let y'all jam out to the music while y'all watch me install my hair.
Perfect.
Hey guys, I hope you all enjoyed the install of how I did my hair. And y'all, I am really loving my hair by NISEYO. These crochet braids are so bomb. This is giving me Pearl the Stylist vibes. Like, I love it, y'all. This hair is super duper lightweight, and I did only use 7 packs of hair. This is the 8th pack, and I am probably going to try to go back in and kind of fill in some in the back. I think I have a few areas that might need like 2 or 3 more braids put in, so that's what I'll use for this 8th pack. But 8 packs does give you a full head, so all you have to do is just purchase the bundle that it comes with. This hair is super cheap. It's way cheaper than going to the beauty supply store and buying like 8 packs, and each pack is like $9. That's gonna cost you about 70-some dollars. This is way cheaper, so go check out NISEYO. Their prices are bomb.com, and this hair is so soft, you guys. Oh my goodness, I really love it. So yes, here's a little side profile. As you saw, I did kind of cut it just a little bit to try to give it more of an angled bob look. I don't know if it's really giving what it's supposed to give, but either way, I like it. I could have just left it long and just left it the length that it was. That was cool too. But yeah, this is the length that I got, and as you saw, my braid pattern to make it look like, you know, like I got like just regular box braids in my hair, because I can do like so many different styles with this. Like if I wanted to do, you know, have like 2 down and then put like this up in a ponytail or something. And be cute like that, you know. Anyways, so yeah, so this style is super duper versatile. I can wear it to either side that I want to, but I'm gonna take this back down and put it to the side like how I had it. And guys, this style only literally took me like an hour and 10 minutes to do, to put it in, so that was super duper quick. The only thing that takes long is kind of like braiding your base down. If you know how to braid your own hair, that might take you a little while. It took me maybe about an hour to braid my base down, and then another hour to do this. So this is like a 2-hour style, like get in, get out type business. And you're gonna be looking cute, okay? So 2-hour style gonna be looking cute. That's gonna last you for a few weeks. So yes, I would definitely get this hair. I would definitely repurchase this hair again. It is amazing, period. Let me know if you enjoyed this video, and if you're going to try this hair out. Like I said, the link is down below to this hair, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.